Gosho is a multi-purpose controller specialized in precision dosing for serving the hygiene industrial market and designed with multiple operating modes for full process optimization during the washing cycle. Depending on your business needs and the facility organization, you can build up various facility structures using the small, in terms of size, but very powerful controller. Gosho can be connected to one dishwasher and a drain system with up to 2 products each, all of them equipped with flow meters. One dishwasher and a tunnel dishwasher with up to 2 products each, all of them equipped with flow meters. One tunnel dishwasher with up to 3 products like detergent, rinse aid, and biocidal products, and a drain system with 1 product, each of them equipped with flow meters. Or one wash extractor with a maximum capacity of 200 kilograms with up to 4 products, each of them equipped with flow meters. Thanks to its numerous operating modes, the controller provides adaptive dosing solutions, ensuring the highest efficiency of laundry and dishwashing operations. Gosho can be adjusted for working on a proportional dosing mode, schedule dosing mode, drain system mode, periodic dosing mode, or on an auto formula select mode. The proportional mode doses the amount of chemicals in proportion to the measured amount of water. The drain mode, in turn, can be used at the same time with the other operating modes and is used for rinsing and preventing clogging. The auto formula select mode gives the opportunity to determine a specific calculation formula, so the chemicals can be dosed according to a preset amount. Furthermore, the multi-purpose controller disposes of additional inputs that allow it to operate with 2 conductive probes, with the possibility to add a temperature sensor and 2 inductive probes with an integrated temperature sensor. Improving the dosing system by adding additional inputs enables a detailed monitoring of the temperature in the boiler and in the dishwasher tank, which delivers valuable information related to the washing cycle and ensures precise dosing by reaching a certain temperature. In addition, 2 low-level alarms and 1 external alarm could be applied to the controller for warning about critical operational errors on time. Moreover, the Gosho dosing system can be applied as a clean-in-place solution, CIP, for example in the dairy industry. When implemented to a laundry solution, the dosing system can be utilized in combination with an ozone generator in order to improve the disinfection in the dishwashing area during the non-operating hours. Another great application of the ozone generator is its contribution to the washing process optimization combined with the right mix of chemicals. Further superior advantages of the Gosho controller are the 24/7 internet connectivity to the CM2W platform, a remote configuration of the application program with real-time tech support, and a unique progress notification filter, PNF, for filtering and addressing important notifications to the responsible people and ensuring faster reaction time.